Hi publishers, me again with another exciting update to Studio. You'll notice at the bottom right corner of your deck builder, there is a Snap to Grid button. This is going to help you line up all of your elements in a much easier and smoother way. So if I click this Snap to Grid, it will turn it on and you'll notice that these grid lines pop up. You have different size pixels that you'll be able to use to kind of help make it super clean and aligned for your decks. So you can decide which is best for you. I personally love the 20 and the 25, but there might be a reason that you want to use the 10 and the 5 as well. So let me show you how this works. So if I felt like this text may have not been center, I can click and move it, and you can kind of see it kind of snaps into the spot where that grid line is. So that really does help me make sure that it is center and exactly where I want it to be. That's that Snap to Grid. You can still use it normally and move it wherever you want to whatever size you want. If you don't want that Snap to Grid on, you just turn it right off. But I'm going to turn it right back on. And then again, it snaps kind of to that size of where I want it to be. If I want it to be a little thinner, maybe a little longer, I can totally do that, and it snaps to where those boxes are, and it truly does narrow that down for you so you know exactly center. As far as pictures, as you can kind of see, these are kind of scattered about. If I wanted to align this peacock to this bear, I can make sure I can do that here. And if I say, no, I don't want it, I can still line it up how I want it. Or maybe I don't want the bear over that far. I'm going to move him in and make sure that they are all separate, one box away from each other, and I can do that as well with this one. So again, I'm lining it up to where I want it. Now I'm going to bring this, it snaps it right to where that one is, and I can bring that one to make it even as well. So that is as easy as it gets. As you are lining up all of your elements, just click and drag to where you want it, and it kind of aligns right to where those boxes are that you want them to go. Again, play around with those pixel sizes. You might change them out to say, nope, I want it to be even more complex. So you can see, even if I go down to this 5, I can get really small, and those small movements are even just so gradual as you are trying to line up these items. But I can say, nope, I want them bigger, I want them smaller, and play around with what feels right for you as you are creating. So I hope you are loving this tool. Of course, if it is annoying and you don't like it, you are welcome to turn it off. So again, just clicking that Snap to Grid, and you can go back and use the deck as you normally would.